How to buy Pepe AI agent token. So this token came under the symbol of Pepe AI. So before we start, this is not financial advice. I'm not professional or economic expert. So before investing in any project that you find on my channel, please do your own research. Now before going and buy this token, make sure to check Derek's account and keep following the updates about this token. Now to be able to buy this token is available on CoinMarketCap. Now go and find it there. Now so that what you need to do is just copy the token address from here. As you can see, it's under this one network. Now go and open your Phantom wallet like that and click on swap here and make sure you have enough Solana in your wallet. Now after that, click here and paste the token address. As you can see, so this is our token. Just click on it. Now after that, type here how much you want to buy, wait a few seconds, and as you can see, this is how much you receive. Now after that, select the provider from here, for example the Jupiter provider. Now after that, make sure to read all of that information here, and after that click on swap and you will be redirected to Jupiter provider page to be able to buy this token. After that, if you face any issue, just go back to this page, click on the sleep page and switch it from here or custom it. After that, go and buy this token. You will face any issue after that. So this is how to buy Pepe AI agent token. If you find this video helpful, please like and subscribe. See you in the next video.